Hello and welcome to Choosing the Right Tools for the Job, OCR versus RPA versus AI, Learning Outcomes. In this lesson you will be able to 1. Describe the basics of OCR, RPA and AI technologies. 2. Explain what OCR, RPA and AI excel at and what they struggle with. 3. List the areas that OCR, RPA and AI are best suited to. Setting the scene. Slicing bell peppers. Whether at home or in the workplace, we're often confronted by a task with many possible solutions. Think, for example, of picking the ideal knife to cut up the vegetables for your world-famous risotto. You have several different options available to you, ranging from the paring knife to the cleaver. Still, if you want to perform a task successfully, getting nicely sliced pieces of bell pepper, you need to pick the most appropriate tool for your needs. Using the wrong knife would not only give you substandard results, but it could cause frustration along the way, wasting precious resources, your time and energy. It is most definitely worth pausing for a moment to consider your needs and pick the correct tool for the job. Choosing the right technology to improve your information management needs works in a similar way, only rather than a delicious meal, you want to create an efficient workflow that produces optimal results. At the workplace, what's this like inside an organization? From the fax machine to the cloud, technological developments have always driven change in the way that we do business. Whether it's a new tool or a powerful piece of software, advancements in tech dramatically improve how we interact with the vast amounts of information needed to keep business flowing, with benefits ranging from increased efficiency to bolstered compliance. We've seen many such advancements over the recent years, with more and more cutting-edge technology flowing from the lab into the workplace, with RPA, OCR and AI all making major strides. With so many changes and new options open to businesses, it's easy to think of technology as a monolith, a single lump of new ideas and tools. The reality is that there's a vast range of different tools and technologies available, all of which are competing for our attention. Of course, there will never be one technology that delivers everything an enterprise could ever need. If you want to make the most of modern developments, it's vital to know how the different technologies you have access to work, what benefits the different technologies bring to the table, and of course, which is the best technology to deploy for a particular project. Technology can offer incredible benefits both to businesses and individuals. The very nature of cutting-edge tech, however, means that it can be a complex topic to fully understand. You wouldn't choose a new car or laptop before you understand the features and advantages of your options, hopefully anyway. Similarly, before you can make any decisions on which technologies to deploy in your organization, you must first understand the fundamentals of how they work and which applications they excel in. Case study: BROWNIAN brothers. Let's take a look at how some of our technologies might work in a business setting, namely a theoretical insurance provider named BROWNIAN brothers. BROWNIAN brothers operates several branches across the USA and maintains a workforce of around 200 people. It has a legacy stretching back several decades, and while that's great for building consumer trust, many of its processes still follow the same steps that were established in the early years. Policy applications are received digitally, but every piece of information needs to be copied and pasted from the original document into the company's customer database. On top of this, many of the supporting documents needed to support an application, such as credit reports, proof of address, and bank information, are supplied as either physical copies or scanned in PDFs and JPEGs. This information also needs to be uploaded into the company systems, which requires yet more data entry. Unsurprisingly, this manual processing occupies a lot of time and effort from staff, many of whom are highly skilled insurance professionals. Having talented underwriters spending half their morning doing basic data entry isn't good for business, so the executive team is looking to improve efficiency. The head of IT, Jim Douglas, has carried out research on behalf of the CEO. It seems there are several potential technology solutions that could help. OCR could digitize paper documents and scans. RPA could speed up and improve the accuracy of data processing, and AI could be used to intelligently handle documents and improve compliance. Simple as this may seem, there's still a lot of work and planning needed before the executive team can commit to any particular technology.